Thank you for joining us. I'm Yoon Jung-min. President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment trial is nearing its end, but clashes continued at the Constitutional Court today. The court has decided to add an extra hearing for next week to summarize the arguments. Our correspondent Oh Soo-young begins our coverage.
The battle of narratives continued at President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment trial as the 8th and initially last session was extended with another hearing scheduled for next Tuesday. Cho Sung-hyun, the head of the Capital Defense Command's first security group, said he had been ordered by his commander Lee Jin-woo to pull out legislators from the parliamentary building. Lee Jin-woo, who was questioned at the court last week, had refused to answer whether he'd been given such an order by Yoon due to his ongoing criminal trial, while the president has denied issuing such instructions. Defense Minister Kim Yong-han has claimed the order was to pull out agents or yoon, not legislators or 의원, while Special Warfare Commander Kwak Jong-gun said the president said persons or inwon. More conflicting statements emerged during the session. National Intelligence Service Chief Cho Tae-yong cast doubt over the claims made by his deputy last week that the president ordered the arrest of politicians on the night of December 3rd. Deputy Director Hong Jang-won has said he had heard 14 to 16 public figures named as targets for arrest by Counterintelligence Commander Yoon, which he wrote down on a notepad outside Director Cho's residence. He claimed his secretary helped decipher it later, thus there were 2 notes in total. However, Cho says based on CCTV footage, Hong was not outside, but in his office at the time he said he wrote the memo. The director also said there appeared to be 4 versions of the note, seeming to suggest there's been some fabrication on Hong's part. Cho questioned Hong's political neutrality, adding he had heard last year in a parliamentary committee meeting that Hong had made 7 separate requests regarding personnel appointments to a former opposition party lawmaker who previously worked at the NIS under the last administration. On Thursday, former Seoul Metropolitan Police Commissioner Kim Bong-sik also testified. Kim said that he had deployed police to the National Assembly to ensure public safety and denied he'd been given orders to make arrests. As witness statements continue to clash, the president's side on Thursday reapplied for Prime Minister Han Duck-soo to be called as a witness, whom the court rejected on Tuesday, and asked to re-summon Hong Jang-won. They also asked for National Police Agency Commissioner General Cho Ji-woo to be made to stand as a witness, as he failed to show up twice due to health reasons. Justices will review the new witness applications on Friday. So far, the court has accepted a total of 15 witnesses in the impeachment trial, 7 requested by the National Assembly and 8 by President Yoon's side. This compares to the 36 approved during former President Park Geun-hye's impeachment trial.
For now, the court has scheduled a 9th hearing for next Tuesday at 2 p.m, where each legal team will have 2 hours to summarize their arguments. If the hearings conclude next week, observers say the ruling could be made in early March. Park Geun-hye's impeachment was upheld in 11 days, while former President Roh Moo-hyun's impeachment was dismissed in 14 days. Oh Soo-young, Arirang News.